How to fix Play Store app not installed on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store app not installed on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just click apps and click apps again and scroll down and just type here Play Store, Google Play, and here we'll find it. Click on it and then just click this one, storage, and then just click clear cache and then clear data, and then just go to Play Store and it will be solved, and that's it. And that's how to fix app not installed on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.